Hi everyone, it's Kristy at Clark County Library again. We're back with a second unboxing episode today. And if you saw the other one, you saw that we're going to go ahead and open our board books and kind of a behind the scenes in the library. So we'll go ahead and get started with this one. This is a smaller box today, so I'm sure it'll still have some good stuff. I know my little one likes picture books. Wait, I actually like picture books, so that's okay too. All right, so it looks like we got some packing stuff in here. I don't need that, so away it goes. All right, well, it looks like we got some awesome stuff here today. Our first book is called Hey Diddle Diddle, A Touch and Trace Nursery Rhymes. So hopefully, if you don't know those nursery rhymes, like row, 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 oh, and touch and trace. So that's a really cool book. And we have I Am the Lorax, which is based on Dr. Seuss's The Lorax. So it's probably a little bit of a more easier read than The Lorax is. So great for parents that want to do this book with their kids. Again, we have a second copy of that. Oh, I swear, all moms are superhero moms, but now there's a book to prove it. So it says Superhero Mom. It's illustrated, or it's by Timothy Nutman and illustrated by Joe Berger. So you can tell your mom she's a superhero. Superhero mom. Very cool. Let me put this one down so you can see it. But my hands are moving today, it seems like. We have a second copy of that as well. Oh, you saw my last one. You saw how much I like this guy. Oscar the Grouch, again, my favorite Sesame Street character. We got a whole book on him, it seems like now, so you can come in and check that one out. That's the second one of him. This Little Piggy, it's another touch and trace nursery rhyme. So if you need more nursery rhymes, it's another one you can check out. One White Rabbit, a counting book. Kind of looks like a rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Oh, it actually says the Macmillan's Alice, so it probably is. See, it's really good to read, right? So, all right, there's that one. And again, we have a second one. And of course, hey, A is for Alice. And guess what? It is Alice in Wonderland, and she's holding that flamingo. All right, so you can do ABCs and counting with Alice in Wonderland. And our second book with that. Oh, this one looks like a great one. It's a Bedtime Classics, The Wizard of Oz. It's based on the L. Frank Baum book, of course. Great looking characters. And we can follow the yellow brick road to the Emerald City with Dorothy and friends. Very cute. Different illustrations. Love it. Very cool. And again, we have a second one of that, so want to come in. All right, our next book is called Are You There, Little Tiger? Very cute. Very cute book. Second one of that. Looks like we're getting some holidays in here. Are you there, little reindeer? So if you need to stock up early, or who knows, I mean, could be winter is just around the corner with how things are going here. All right, our next one is Are You There, Little Fox? Another one of these little peek-through books. I guess you really could little peek through them. That's really cute. Oh, very cute. Looks more like fall. But if you don't like foxes but love elephants, because maybe you like elephants better, you could also do Are You There, Little Elephant? So another one you can check out. And if you don't like foxes and you don't like elephants, but you like bunnies, Are You There, Little Bunny? So it looks like we're covering lots of different animals and finding out where they are. And then, in a weird turn of events, it has now turned into St. Patrick's Day. Instead, it's Elmo's lucky day, and you can come and check out Elmo with his shiny bow tie and a pot of gold. And as I stated in our last video, we have our holiday books that you can check out anytime, even if it's not anytime around that holiday. Here comes Peter Cottontail, another rabbit book. Those are my 2 extras of our nursery rhymes. Who Says Hippity Hop? It's a Highlights First Easter book. And, oh, this one's really cute. Who Says Peekaboo? And it includes a mirror. What do you bet? Who says peekaboo at the end? Can you say peekaboo? This one is really great for babies or also for adults like me that just like to stare at themselves in the mirror. Not true. All right. Not last one, second to last one. Little Prince, another one. From Rags to Riches, Sarah shows us what the most important things are in life. Come free. That's actually probably one of my favorite stories ever is Little Princess. And this is actually our last book that's in this box. And we had reindeer, we had foxes, we had elephants, and we had bunnies. But let's say you don't like any of those. You can now have a unicorn. And Are You There, Little Unicorn? And this is another last one of this box. A little peek through book, and you can find out where the unicorn is. So I hope you have enjoyed this box of books, because I know I have. And remember, you can check out all these books with your library card. And once we get all of these checked in, we'll put our little sticker on them. We'll go ahead and put the barcode on them for you to check them out. And you can come on in and check these out. I hope you have a great day. And remember, you can always find us online at lvccld.org. And have a good day.